Welcome. Today I'll show you how to use the IMEI info website to check general information about your device. So we're going to use an Apple as an example for the IMEI, and we'll basically check something like a country and warranty status for a device. And if you're unsure how to get the IMEI number of the device, you can do it in two different ways. One is through the settings and go into like about the device. And the second one is provided right here in 3 easy steps. Basically open up the dialer app. You put in the specific number right here, so it's *#06#, and once you put it in, it immediately opens up a little window with the IMEI number provided for your device. And then all you need to do is put it right here. So I already have it copied, and all I need to do is paste like so. And then I need to check that I'm not a robot and select whatever it's telling me to do. Now mind you, you might not see this caps catch. It might just check automatically, and it could be like let go easily without actually having to verify anything, but I unfortunately am not. So let's do that. Okay, and now I can just tap on check, and once it actually loads, I should see the general information of the device. So right here it's an iPhone 8 Apple. Then on the right side you get the basic information about it, so design, what it is, when it was released, what kind of SIM it takes, and a couple other general information about this specific model, which I mean iPhone 8. Then you also have other free checks that you can do here, so Apple warranty and basic information, a blacklist check, phone number and serial number. And now going more in depth for a couple of them. Warranty and basic information. Basic information will be again just this, and then warranty, so how long the iPhone will have the warranty for. You also have blacklist check, which will allow you to see if the phone has been registered as stolen. You can check the number and serial number, kind of self-explanatory. You also have paid checks, so you can basically carry and lock status. You can basically remotely lock the device. Blacklist check Pro, I guess that would allow you probably to also blacklist the device. SIM lock status to see if the device has a SIM lock or not, and so on. You can go through them. Now I'm gonna do also a warranty check, as I said. So I'm gonna tap on Apple warranty and basic information. I'm gonna open it up in the next tab. So here, let's click Apple warranty and basic information check. Give it a couple of moments. And there we go. So we have the serial number, which is locked for the most part, apart from the last 4 digits. You have the IMEI number, which I've put in. Then the iPhone, which tells you that it's an iPhone 8, 64 gigabytes, and also the color. Refurbished, no. Activated, yes. Activated means basically whenever the device was turned on for the first time and set up. And since that, like if this says no, then warranty of Apple hasn't actually started. If it's yes, then the moment you activate the device, warranty will actually start to count down. Then you have the purchase date, which is empty. Whereas right here, technical support expired date. As you can see, it's expired, so 2 years have passed. AppleCare eligibility, no, because of the fact that this is expired. And yeah, that's basically things that you can check right here. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.